The whole town is on a historical register, and it's a Victorian town, so a lot of the buildings from the 1880s or around 1900. The Bisbee Grand Hotel. And how much it costs you to spend the night there, huh? All right, check out this sign right here. It says, Bisbee has the best year-round climate on earth. Well, it is high in elevation, so it's not quite as hot in the summertime. Look, they watch the sun generate power. Well, let's see what's open on this Turkey Day. Yes, it is that time of year. Even though today is Turkey Day, give at least one good day before you shuttle it aside. And this was neat walking around here, and still is. A lot of artisans, jewelry makers, you name it. There's the American Legion. I wonder if they have in Turkey today. I'll have to check it out. This store is 100% solar powered. Wow. 80 sharp solar modules. Boy, I hate to see these gang tags. Look at this. Isn't that cool? This is the American Legion. Well, you can't really see it. Let me get from this angle here. Millionaire Renovator. Let's look in the window. See what kind of fedora I need. I like that one. And that one. These people must be staying at the Grand Hotel. Alright, this is a building that's solar powered. And here's the Chamber of Commerce. Let's walk on down the street and see what we got here. I like the garnishment. Look at the windows on that. That's great. The Cafe Roca. Look at the door. Isn't that cool? They appear to be closed. Maybe they're just open for dinner. Or maybe they closed on Thanksgiving. You can hear an echo down here. All right, the bicycle shop. Bisbee Bicycle. Isn't that cool? Alright, they're closed till December 1st. We got a little bicycle. A mini bike. Man, talk about a fat tire. Look at that. That thing is massive. Back tire too. Wow. Never seen that before. I like these bay windows. These are square bay windows. Lefts and Loft Hotel. Boy, they got a lot of nice shops here too. Black Friday special. Black Friday. Where did they ever come up with that stupid thing? Now it's all they talk about. Hey, look at this. Bisbee 1000 stair climb. All right. Look at the glass windows in there. Isn't that neat? Look, they got Christmas lights up. 'Tis the season. Wow, look at this little courtyard. The Review, that's the newspaper, yeah. Forgot about that. All right, now this right here was, this was a library. This is got to be an old bank building. They always have this secure facade. All right, now the library. Pretty sure this was the library. Yeah, Copper Queen Library. And look at the building. Isn't that cool? Now, I spent many an hour in this library. Look at this walkway through here. And the post office is still here. That's good to know. This is different. They got to have this handicap ramp. Look, you got this little walking area here. Parking area. This was a department store that went out of business when the mine closed. A local red sandstone. There's a Copper Queen Hotel, Western Bank, where I used to do business. Didn't have any money. Look at the copper doors. And look at the keystones. Copper Queen. Look at that 20s, Roaring 20s floozy dress. Now, what do they call those things? Forget. Butterfly movement. Table. Happy holidays. Thanksgiving, the Festival of Light. Whoops. Better watch where I'm going. All right, this is the Historical Museum, which I'm sure is closed. Let's see if I can find the restroom. Look at this. This is cool. I've never seen a hand drive with a protective cage around it. Is this so nobody will steal it? It's probably made out of copper. Got a pipe cistern and a garden here. They got flowers blooming. Shows you how warm it is. Copper Queen Park. Now what is this? Is this a bird? This is a nice little park. It's facing south. Alright, there's the famous Copper Queen. Look at the pigeons up on the roof. Uh-oh, sounds like a fire truck. This was a department store. It's been repurposed. All right, Bisbee. Look at the flies over there on the wall. They had a fly swatting contest here in 1912. This is a mining cage. And this is a sheave wheel, which is I don't know what that is. Probably a cable, some kind of cable. All right, Historical Museum, of course, is closed on Thanksgiving Day. These are the carts that went into the mine. And these are Queen Plaza. The extent of the power, influence of the copper mining industry in Bisbee's early history is evident here at the Copper Queen Plaza. The building was built by the Copper Queen Consolidated Mine Company, later became Phelps Dodge Corporation, to serve the company's and the community's needs. Copper Queen Consolidated Mine Company headquarters building, 1897. Copper Queen Hotel, 1902. Copper Queen Hospital, 1914. Copper Queen Store, later rebuilt as the Phelps Mercantile, 1939. U.S. Post Office. Copper Queen Library, 1907. Now look at these polished nuggets of turquoise. Bisbee Blue is the famous turquoise. Look at this one. It's almost black. Let's check the other two out. What a neat old building, huh? Town's full of them. Gunite sprayer, sanitation car, that's where they took a crap. Powder car. Rocker dump ore car, side dump ore car, concrete, end dump air receiver car. Mining became mechanized in the 1890s. Boy, this is nice. Welcome to the historic district of Bisbee. Wild Ass Coffee and Eatery. Alright, this is a Brewery Gulch going up here. There's the big B on the hill. The Lyric, that was a opera house theater. Brewery Gulch entrance. This is a Brewery Gulch. Eating place. Metal. Early 1900s, the rough edges of Bisbee's mining camps could be found here in notorious Brewery Gulch, with its dozens of saloons, gambling halls, and crib houses. The street got its name from the common activity of Bisbee's early days, represented by Moonheim's Brewery building, which still stands today. The Gulch was also the location of the Bisbee Stock Exchange, making it the center of activity in more ways than one. One of the more popular spots in St. Elmo was the St. Elmo Bar, the oldest bar in Bisbee, which is still in business today. Hotel L'Amore. L'Amore. Ooh. Let's check out the Copper Queen. The porch veranda was wonderful for sitting there and having a beer. Look at the porch, I love that. It's like Italianette style. It's the back side of it. Since 1902. Got the Christmas trees up. Poinsettias. This is a great spot for sitting and having a beer in the afternoon. Right beside the Presbyterian Church. Let me me guess, 300 bucks a night. Maybe 200 or 250. Won't be cheap. This will be the Copper Queen. This is the old-fashioned Victorian luxury here. Look at the wood paneling. Copper Queen Cafe. Tiffany style lamps. Restful recliners. Old-fashioned registration desk with a safe. Don't forget the tile floor. Wow, look at the Christmas tree. Oh, look at all the jewelry. Turquoise. Looks like they have a buffet out here. And look at the lamp. The ceiling. Oh yes, it is Turkey Day, isn't it? Circa 1902. The Presbyterian Church. Lovely maintained. YMCA. From another era. Look at the landscape, it's done very well. This was known as Hippie Hill. Alright, look at the balcony up there, isn't that nice? The arches. And the church right beside it.